What up, Forever Pay Squad? In this video, I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it real. In this video, we're gonna talk about what to expect as a new day trader, coming in fresh into this market. So, you already know how it goes. Run my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into this one. As a new trader coming into this market, your expectations is going to be different to the actual reality of things. Let me explain. You might just heard about Forex maybe last week or maybe a month ago. You might have seen like an Instagram post or a YouTube video where someone's showing a bunch of money they be making on the charts, or they're showing their lifestyle. But what you guys don't really see is the years put in to get to that certain level where they're making that amount of money and driving those nice cars. Don't get me wrong, there might be like a couple of traders where they just get in the market and maybe a month later they're just really good at it and everything clicks like that and they're making a ton of money. The truth and the reality of it is you guys should be expecting a long journey, about 3 to 5 years to be exact. There is a very high percentage of traders that fail, and I think one of the main reasons why traders fail is they see that it takes longer than they hope it will take to become profitable. They think it's going to happen overnight, or they have a small account, maybe $200, $500, and they're going to try to flip it to $10,000, then $30,000 and $50,000 and so on and so forth. But that's not realistic. It's possible, but the amount of discipline you will have to do those type of things will be on another level, and you will have to have really good risk management, and you will have to have your emotions in control. When starting out in Forex or trading, you're going to have to put in a lot of work. Yes, having a mentor will shorten that learning curve, but you're still going to have to put in a lot of work. They say it takes about 10,000 hours to be good at something. Well, in Forex, that is just the case. It's going to take a lot of time, a lot of heartache, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of grinding on the charts over and over and over again. It's going to take a lot of repetition. It's going to take a lot of frustration. It's going to take, for some, a lot of loss to get to that next level. A lot of blown accounts to get to that next level. Realistically, like in your first year, you could expect to not make anything. Realistically, don't expect to make a big amount of money. Even in your second year, realistically, don't expect to make a big amount of money. Realistically, in your first year, you're going to be learning a lot of new terms and learning new strategies, or a couple of strategies, because you think a strategy doesn't work and you don't stick with it long enough. But in all reality, the strategy probably does work, but your psychology is off and your risk management is off. Those are two big main factors that will play a part in your success, is proper risk management and your psychology. Realistically, in your second year, if you make it past your first year, because if you don't quit in your first year, you're not going to be 100% focused. Some of you guys are going to be that focused, but the majority of you guys are not going to be that focused after a year of not seeing any type of success or any type of financial gain in this market. So if you do happen to make it to the second year, I could say that's when you might just start to see a couple of trades here and there that go in your favor. You won't be consistent. This is like the real, and I'm talking from like personal experience. You won't be consistent. because you're gonna have different hurdles in your mind to get over, and personal things you're gonna have to get over to be able to push through to make it in this market and be consistent. If you make it to that third year now, that's where you're going to start to notice you could tweak a couple of things and it might make you more consistent. You might focus more in on risk management, which is always the best thing to start at, risk management and psychology. Once you have a strategy, you want to focus on those two main things, risk management and psychology, because that will definitely bring your trading to a whole nother level. So just focus on those two, risk management and consistency, and I could almost guarantee that you will become more consistent if you're already seeing a couple of wins there, but then you have losses, and then you have a couple of wins, then you have a couple of losses. All comes down to psychology and proper risk management. So I think that's as real as it gets. So by the time you reach your fourth and fifth year, you should be seeing profit, and you should be seeing more and more success. And the thing about Forex is anytime you want to get more money, all you got to do is increase your lot size. But keep in mind to have proper risk management. I can't stress it enough. Have proper risk management. Have proper risk management, and you'll go a long way. It'll stop you from blowing account after account, and it'll lessen the blow of being frustrated. You'll get through that period where you're getting frustrated, but it won't be as hard if you just have proper risk management. So just keep that in mind when you're always trading. Just always have proper risk management. To this day, I have, for example, before I enter the trade, I want to know exactly how much I could lose, because in trading, it's not about what you could win. It's about how much you could lose. I heard that early on, but I never focused on it until like later in my trading, and it's helped me a lot. So just keep that in mind, and you'll be a consistent trader. So just know that this is a marathon and it's not a race, and eventually if you stick with it long enough and you go through the process of a little bit of pain, because you got to have some type of pain tolerance, and you can lessen that pain by having proper risk management. So there you have it. That is what you could expect when starting fresh, brand new in trading. So I hope this video was valuable. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Please hit the notification button, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of y'all day or evening or night whenever you guys are watching this. I am out. Forever Paid. Peace.